how to insulate windows. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This channel will talk about ways to save money and gardening and other special events like Christmas. So today we're gonna be talking about how to insulate windows or how to fix drafty windows. The main things you need are window kits, scissors, and a blow dryer. Today we're gonna do the windows insulation, and this is a kit we're gonna use to do our window insulation. We're gonna insulate the whole inside of the window so that way it prevents any cold air from coming in, and it's gonna maintain the hot air that's inside. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take down the blind or any item that's gonna obstruct our view of it. So this is a kit I'm opening right now. So the kit has two main plastics that you're gonna use, but these two main plastic can do up to 10 windows depending on the size of your windows. So it comes with double-sided tape that you can use for it. The manufacturer of this kit recommend using alcohol to wipe the area where you're gonna put the tape on around the window. So we're gonna put alcohol on a piece of paper and just wipe around the window where we're gonna put our tape, and then we're gonna let it dry for a few minutes before we start applying our tape to that area. You can still use it without applying the alcohol, but you just have to make sure that the air is clean and dry. So now we are applying our tape, double-sided tape. So to that side we're gonna apply double-sided tape to all the sides of the window. So you can do this, just measure it down and cut it, or you can just put the tape along the window until it reaches the edges, then you just cut it with a scissors or a blade. So we want to make sure we tape all the sides of the window like this. Make sure it seals, it's covered all around. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the plastic that's on top of the double-sided tape. So once you pull out this plastic, the adhesive side is gonna be revealed. So you want to pull all the tape from all the sides of the window so that you can start putting the plastic over it. It's very easy to do. You just have to make sure that all the sides are sealed, and you press it down to make sure that the tape doesn't come out when you're pulling the plastic. So now we're gonna try to put the plastic on the window. So this first one that I did, I just put the plastic on the window and then cut it. But you can measure the window to make it easier for you. You can measure the window and then cut the plastic before putting it up. But what I'm doing here is just putting the window, since I didn't know how much it was gonna cover for this window. I just put it up and then just cut it. So I'm just gonna make sure it overlaps all the sides of the window. Just make sure that the plastic overlaps on all the sides of the window before I completely press it down to seal it. So the kit that I'm using right now is the kit that I showed you. There's another one that's called Frost King. You might also find that online or in some hardware or retail stores. So I'll see if I can find a link to those and put below the video, or just go to your local hardware, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, Walmart, and online you should be able to get some of these kits. They are called window insulation kits, and it's very cheap. It's gonna save you a lot of money once you have all the windows sealed. So now we have all the sides covered with plastic. So now I'm just making sure that it's completely sealed, or it's touching the plastic and all the areas. So the next step is to take a blow dryer and apply even heat to all the window. What it's gonna do is gonna contract the plastic, and it's gonna provide an airtight area in the window where air will not be able to go in or come out. So you just have to apply the air dryer all over the window until it gets an airtight seal. And this is a very easy part to do. The secret to getting insulation kit cheaper is to buy it at the end of the season or in the spring or summertime. Check your local stores for more information or more different prices. So after about 5 minutes, if you touch the screen, the plastic screen, you will feel that it's a lot stronger and seal. If you have done this in your home to help you save money on energy, let me know, and let me know your results or how it went. But I've used it on my windows, especially windows that have maybe if they have a little bit of crack or where you have a lot of wind hitting that wall. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut out all the extra plastic from the window, so that we just have only the plastic that is around the window. So we're gonna cut all the plastic from the sides. You can use the scissors or you can use the sharp blades. You just want to be careful and make sure that you don't cut into where the section is sealed or pull it too much. So we're gonna do the same for this side and the rest of the bottom and the top. So now we're complete. You can see it's very tight and it's sealed. That's it. We're done with the insulation. So next thing we're gonna do is just put back our window blind, and we're good to go. So that is it. Very easy to do, and it's helped you save money. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and have a wonderful day.